You know, there's certain songs that when you feel them, you get goosebumps. When you hear the refrain, you just feel like losing your mind. At 24 minutes down the hour, 8 o'clock. Is that kind of love? DT.
No matter what we do or say, you know we gonna find a way. Just let the music DJ play.
Miss Lake, what a wonderful smile. You need to take my heart away each and every time.
This is Alkaline. You're listening to 105.5 FM. The sounds of the
Sing out together now as one while we're jamming in the sun. Oh, can you feel this endless love? While we're dancing in the streets, can you feel this soca beat? Oh, the music is so sweet. Oh, right now it may seem to all that we're quickly losing ground. Oh no, mama, don't you cry. Love will control. Hold on, sing a song of love and bring peace within your heart. 'Cause in you it's got to start. One day my music will unite. Fighting will be no more that try. One day my people will know love, and this war will be over, and love will fall upon us. Love will fall upon us.
Oh yeah. This song is a nostalgic carnival feeling.
Just like when carnival comes,
And we jamming in the rain. You do not have to be a friend.
but just to
Hugging up all to St. Martin.
why only that
Time of year, everybody come as one. Building the fun up in the sun.
why you know the
Look this one.
and having fun.
But you need to keep in mind when carnival done and there's no more bump and grind. No costumes in town, more please. Peace, love, and harmony. Indian, black, white, or Chinese, bald head, or Ras. You got to live your life like you're playing mass, believe me.
Oh yeah.
Each and every day have to be a party in your life.
Oh yeah. Just like when carnival come and we jamming in the rain, you do not have to be a friend, but
You're just hugging up in St. Martin with people you don't know.
why only that time of day?
Everybody come as one.
Taking the fun up in the sun,
Dr. Fire, check this one out.
having fun.
But you need to keep in mind,
When carnival done,
and there's no more bump and grind.
no costume and talk.
So please,
Unity, everyone is family.
Indian, black, white, or Chinese, bald head, or Ras.
Live your life like you're playing bass. Yeah. Live your life like you're playing bass. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hand in the air and wave for me. Hand in the air and wave for me. Hand in the air and wave for me. I know we have some unity. Hand in the air and wave for me. Hand in the air and wave for me. Hand in the air and wave. Thanks for misbehave on stage. In this rhythm of life, people shine a good light for all we've been through together. I know. We're passing through all kinds of weather. You gotta know your role in this living masquerade. 'Cause the young and the old come to shake it up. They gon' wake it up, whoa, yeah. So when the iron clang and the old drum boom, so the fire start to blaze. We found the love we could never lose. So please bring the unity. unity. Peace, love, true harmony. Don't stand up and just beg for this man to pass. Live your life like you're playing man. They have a plan B. All them gyal have a plan B.
Every girl have a plan B.
They have a plan B.
And I want to be your plan B. Believe me.
Yes, all of them gyal must have a special friend who does circle the ends. And when the man a come, that is when they just contact their friend. What if the man is the man who fixing the girl car? What if the man is she financial advisor? What if the man who she diamond with by the bar? What if the man is she pastor? Yes, all of them. Pull up that song there. Mad in a dog. Plan B.
You see the kind of shenanigans that I have on my phone? Cash wife.
They have a plan B.
What you say, BC Andy?
Yes, all of them, gyal.
That plan B could even be a pastor.
Who doesn't and when the man a come,
Good morning, good morning, good morning, darling. How you doing this morning?
they just contact their friend. What if the man is the man who fixing the girl car?
Hey, what is the man?
She financial advice.
Find that man.
What if the man who she diamond with by the bar?
Hey, what if the man is she pastor?
Yes, all of them gyal must have a special friend who does circle the ends. And when the man a come, that is when they just contact their friend. Mad in a dog.
Life is so interesting. People just hear what they want to hear. Now imagine, that man could be she garage man, she tire fixer, even she pastor.
Special friend.
What you say, Tom?
Circle the ends.
BC and D?
That is when they just contact their friend. What if the man is the man who fixing the girl car? What if the man is she financial advisor? What if the man who she diamond with by the bar? What if the man is she pastor? Yes, all of them gyal must have a special friend who does circle the ends. And when the man a come, that is when they just contact their friend. And she WhatsApp on the plan B, and she Facebook on the plan B, the TikTok on the plan B. You better check out the IG. Some they say that is the family. You can't trust nobody. They full of tricks and they sneaky, cause all of them have a plan B. And even though the relationship going strong, two of them know each other since they was young. She said that is her best friend, nothing never went on. He was there before you come and he'll be there when you go. Baby, I don't like it. Friendship must have a limit. This feeling off in my spirit, but she always fighting it. And every time I talk about it, she just stoops and dismisses. Tell me I'm talking shit, but I don't fight in it. Yes, all of them gyal must have a special friend who does circle the end. I tell you now,
don't pray for me. If I don't come up in the morning, just know that I say it's not in my place. But this man's have a hold on me. I can leave until every single
Battle done.
If anyone looking for me, then you can find me where.
Jump on it. Come with it. Come with it.
I tell you now, I'm good.
Sending a pleasant good morning to all these civil servants. Mom, but good morning to you.
If I don't come up in the morning, just know that I say.
Sending a pleasant good morning going out to the constable one time. Yo, it's a feeling when the feeling catch you, right? It's a vibe when the vibe catch you, right? We can't get vexed with the system. We just gotta keep it going. Sending a pleasant good morning going out to the entire staff and crew at Port St. Martin. We celebrating 60 years of ships coming in. Miss Simmons, good morning. Miss Williams, good morning. Miss Richardson, good morning. Miss Celestine, good morning. Miss Monegro, good morning. Miss Latouche, good morning. Gotta say good morning to all the ladies, you know. And of course, we gotta touch up the higher ups. Mr. Gums, how you doing? Definitely saying good morning to Mr. Lawrence, Mr. Gibson. Touching off the big homies one time over there in the department that fixes everything. Parish, what you saying this morning? Big Ducky, what's going on? Definitely saying good morning to Dean, Chris, Scott, Science. Just said that I saved.
But this man's about all on me.
I galleys, I ain't leaving till every bottle done.
If anyone looking for me, then you can find me where
Up on straight.
I am eating people betting. So please, if they want to know, tell them you can find me out on the road. Get ready to walk, just step forward, time to free up. Carnival won't let me go. Don't send us a party to find me. I out on the road, I line it. Tell them that the soca have me. You will see me Wednesday. Don't send us a party to find me. I lost on the road, I ride it. Tell them that the soca have me. You will see me Wednesday. I'm not coming home tonight. I'm not coming home tonight. Once I in the party, girl, don't send no such party to find me. I'm not coming home tonight. I'm not coming home tonight. I'm drunk in the party, so I don't think no such party to find me. I'm for the melodies. Now the liquor take all of me, and the bass of my soul out of my chest, so God won't let me leave. I don't know if I'll survive. Strong after song, wine after wine. I go stay strong and fit for life. Weak like the masses kryptonite. You find me where bumper shaking. I am eating people betting. Soca playing. If they want to know, tell them you can find me out on the road. Get ready to walk. Just step forward. Time to free up. Carnival won't let me go. Don't send us a party to find me. I out on the road. I line it. Tell them that the soca have me. You will see me Wednesday. Don't send us a party to find me. I lost on the road. I ride it. Tell them that the soca have me. You will see me Wednesday. I'm not coming home tonight. I'm not coming home tonight. Once I in the party, girl, don't send no such party to find me. I'm not coming home tonight. I'm not coming home tonight. I'm drunk in the party, so I don't think no such party to find me. Greedy with another man. We are the island. I tell you I'm good.
I ain't coming home tonight, but I don't live with nobody, so it's alright. You hear me? Unless you want to take me in, darling. Take me in, darling.
Come in the morning, just know
That I straight.
it's my place. But this
Ma's got a hold on me.
I can leave. Until
I can't leave till every single bottle done.
everyone looking for me.
I'm stopping up the road and getting 2 coconut water and some gin. Oh, you know that's my drink. Everything white. Everything white. Everything white.
Out on the road, get ready to walk. Just step forward, time to free up. Carnival won't let me go. Don't send us a party to find me. I out on the road, I line it. Tell them that the soca have me. You will see me Wednesday. Don't send us a party to find me. I lost on the road, I ride it. Tell them that the soca have me. You will see me Wednesday. I'm not coming home tonight. I'm not coming home tonight. Once I in the party, girl, don't send no such party
And how you get desire back. So you taking me for a happy show. Mr. Always be alright. How every month you catching a flight. Up in the Fed wearing other people clothes. I can't take it no more. Everybody wants something from me. Coming around for another handout begging. Can't do it no more. The free ride expire today. I'm tired here all of your excuses. It's so simple, no. Anytime you call on my phone. I'm not a man, I done with the load. This year I'm learning how to say no. The answer is a simple no. There is a sickness that's driving people crazy. They will do anything just to get likes on social media. Scammer in Louis shoes, a Gucci bag of excuse. Meanwhile they owe you call them, I can't get you. Can't take it no more.
You do good, them talking you. You do bad, them talking you. Them never have nothing good to say.
Them ask the old question: where you from? Where you going? Where you coming? When last you been home?
Drink water and mind my business.
Mind your funky business.
That's how it is be subject.
Good, them talking you. You do bad,
Them talking you.
them never have nothing good to say.
Them ask the old question: where you from? Where you going? Where your mother? When last you been home? Drink water and mine.
Mind your funky business.
Drink water and mine.
Oh, mind my business.
Drink water and mine.
Mind your funky business.
Drink water and mine. Listen.
Don't come with no attitude. If you find a whining mood, it's because I'm feeling good, and that is my business. Them just as study people business, study people business, study people business. So them just as study people business, study people business, study people business. So
I go drink water and mind my business.
mind your funky business.
Drink water and mind my business.
Oh, mind my business.
Drink water and mind my business.
Mind your funky business.
This is the song, biggest hottest shooter ever in history. Get down.
Them talking you. You do bad. Them talking you.
This the mind your business mashup.
Ask the most questions.
Where you from? Where you going? Where your mother? When last you been home?
Drink water and mind.
Take a bottle and hush.
Your funky business.
Drink water and mind my.
I say take a bottle and hush.
Drink water and mind my business.
Mind your funky business.
Drink water and mind my business.
Don't come with no attitude. If you find a whining mood, it's because I'm feeling good, and that is my business. Them just as study people business, study people business, study people business. So them just as study people business, study people business, study people business. So
I go drink water and mind my business.
mind your funky business.
Drink water and mind my business.
Oh, mind my business.
Drink water and mind my business.
Mind your funky business.
Drink water and mind my business. Me and them can't be friends. I fight the battle and Jah give me help and strength. Now it's we. That can't be English, that has to be French. Some of them that stop the bus, like they know it all. But if the ground water slip and a fall, it's them so I go drink water and mind my business.
Mind your funky business.
Drink water and mind my business.
Oh, mind my business.
Drink water and mind my business.
Mind your funky business.
Drink water and mind my business. Me and you and me. I the police and you is the thief. That's a fact. The people you think is your friend. Cause you're all in soca. Some of them stop the soca. Like they know they want to.
This is a soca party. Yeah, party. Soca people hands up there. All are we in the soca party. When we flitting, that is all we want to hear. Get them soca in there. Soca in there. Watch it. Soca in there. Soca in there. Get them soca in there. Soca in there. Take soca there. Soca in there. Get them. Soca in there. Do not get it twisted. Do not play yourself. If you want the vibe to reach there, you don't need nothing else. The people want soca, nothing but soca. Think to make the girl them push back the bumper and bend over. Oh gosh, everybody come to the front. Everybody come to the front. Oh gosh, tell the DJ Over everything I say. And if you go like soca, stand up over there. This is a soca party.
Oh, you mean you don't want none?
Soca people hands up there, all are we in a soca.
Well, look who it is.
She never such a rhythm so bad. Oh Lord, oh Lord.
She can't control it every time she hears it. Salty, you see that girl?
She ready now.
One clap, just like that. She ready now. She ready, and she ready now. Give me two clap, one. She bubble on top. She ready now. Bad girl don't take that. You got the whole place up. Every time I see you walk out, every girl I chat to you.
She says she never loved a rhythm so bad. Oh Lord, oh Lord.
She can't control it every time she hears it. Salty, you see that girl?
She ready now.
One clap, just like that.
She ready now.
She ready.
Gotta send a pleasant good morning going out to Lee. How you doing, baby girl?
She ready now. Bad girl don't take chat. You got the whole place up. Every time I see you walk out, every girl I chat to your back. You got the cheat code. Bend over, east mode. Island to island, we know. When you touch the road, I wanna see them bubble and wine. She bubble and wine, bubble and wine. I say she bubble and wine. It's 5, 10, 15 type of action. Every girl just take it. Bubble and wine. I say she bubble and wine. Bubble and wine. I say she bubble and wine. It's 5, 10, 15 type. We got the girl just take it. She says she never loved her rhythm so bad. Oh Lord, she can't control it every time she hears it. Salty, you see that girl? She ready. Balance. They can't keep up. Think of some mama. Watch talent. Dance. Oh la la. Balance. That thing make road man some mama. So much talent. Me can't talk. It's only body language. Now watch me. Oh, I love this rhythm. Red man gonna get them. I love this rhythm. Sure. You mean you don't want on? Sure. You mean you don't want on? Sure. You mean you don't want on? Sure.
How you mean you don't want that? Sure. You see this true there? You see this rhythm? It's just what Adam's saying is what I love. Because it's nothing like walking through a room and seeing that lady next to you walking past you. And when she walk past you, you see the entire frame, the whole thing. And she wearing a sundress on a Saturday morning and nothing under it. Because it's disrespectful, like a lady tell me, it's disrespectful to wear a sundress and have all them accoutrements underneath. So ladies, tomorrow morning when you wake up, or if you decide you're going for lunch early, and decide you're feeling yourself today, put on a sundress for me. And just spin.
Oh, I love this rhythm. Red man gonna get them.
This man wanna rhythm. I love your body language.
We need our body language. We only conversate in a special body language. I love your body language. Give me more body language. We have understanding a special body language. Check this, balance. They can't keep up. Think of some mama. Watch talent. Dance. Oh la la. Balance. That thing make road man some mama. So much talent. Me can't talk. It's only body language. Now watch. the summer, mama. Watch talent. Dance. Ooh la la. Balance. Dancing make grown man summer. So much talent, me can't talk. It's only body language. Well, I barely know you and I barely care. Just wanna take a jump on your dairy, yeah. A little wine never in the crime, and if you don't mind, just dress it there. He's an island man with a oily waist. You can tell I want jump when they look at my face. The front of the stage with me hand in the air. Bumping all I could say is, baby, I wanna feel the heat from your thighs. You light me up with your smile. You like I get enough for it. Oh, I wanna feel the heat from your thighs. I'm getting lost in your smile. Oh, I love your body language. Well, body language. The only conversation, no special body language. I love your body. And y'all know me, body language. And y'all know man. When you see her jamming, it's time for y'all season. Can come in, chip down, can come in.
It's summertime in Sunshine City. Hot girl season. No damn reason. Don't wanna see you, Ben. Let me see you, Ben. Walk up on a friend. It's the hot girl season. Cause you're so sweet, you're so fine. I personally feel with this kind of heat, it's not hot girl, it's sundress season. Yeah. With nothing underneath, it's Friday. You can't be tied up all day on the job site and then go on and decide, I can't understand it. It don't make no sense to me. The best thing for you to do is lose the twins. You understand? Lose the bottom side and put on a sundress. Your man gonna be happy. Happy.
Let me see you wind it up on your friend. Jump back for the bend. It's a hot girl scene if you know what I mean. Hot girl don't need no man. When you see her jamming with the liquor in her hand, best friend pull out the phone, drop down low. You don't want no interruption. Watch how the skin just smooth and nice. Hips and waist portion of right. Respect the harder, thanks for the father. Things so effortless you don't even try. It's time for
Everywhere you look, everywhere you turn, all night.
It's weekend.
It's only
Girl inside of this dance.
gal inside the dance.
Only bottom print out in pants.
You take a glance, you gon' see a bam bam. Rollin', 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 rollin'. It's only gal inside of this dance. Only gal inside the dance. Gal with bottom print out in pants. If you take a glance, you gon' see a bam bam. Rollin', 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 rollin'. 10 to 1, but plus up 10 to 1. Gal in a one that's pretty cat done. Clean hot girl is have the most fun. Yeah. Pump up and over. Gal showing off. All in the corner. All by the wall. Body smash. Fat bumper ties to match. Pocket up car, we don't walk with cash. Take a little while, don't get to a snatch. And your party score, and plenty woman walk through your door. Me say it's one part of law. Everywhere you turn the time, it's only everywhere you look, everywhere you turn.
I love St. Martin for that, and it's all shapes, sizes, and colors. It's only gal inside of this dance.
Only gal inside the dance.
Only bottom print out in pants.
You take a glance, you gon' see a bam bam. Rollin', 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 rollin'. It's only gal inside of this dance. Only gal inside the dance. Gal with bottom print out in pants. If you take a glance, you gon' see a bam bam. Rollin', 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 rollin'. 10 to 1, but plus up 10 to 1. Gal in a one that's pretty cat done. Clean hot girl is have the most fun. Yeah. Pump up and over. Gal showing off. All in the corner. All by the wall. Body smash. Fat bumper ties to match. Pocket up car, we don't walk with cash. Take a little while, don't get to a snatch. And your party score, and plenty woman walk through your door. Me say it's one part of law. Everywhere you turn the time, it's only gal inside.
When we outside, it's an ocean of love. All are we aligned to the stars up above. Let we dance now, take a chance now with me. And we go jump till morning. Look, the moon done sleeping. Tell them we not leaving. Last drop of bacchanal is madness in the bacchanal. I feel like a running town again. Jump and shake the ground again. Drink with all my friend and them. No place like home. Oh, there's no place like it. There's no place like home. There's no place like wherever you are right now. Sunshine City, you know we the greatest. We got the same madness like everybody else. Only they have light and we don't. That's the only difference.
And we go jump till morning. Look, the moon don't sleep.
What GB need to do is just buy the whole nation one generator per house. And we gonna be good.
And all is madness in the capital, so
I feel like a running town again. Jump and shake the ground again. Live with all my friend and them. No place like no place like Sunshine City, believe me. We special.
I feel like a running town again. Jump and shake the ground again. Live with all my friend and them. No place like Now is the time for it to jam on somebody. Hand up in the air. Madness everywhere. It's in with DNA. To get on bad. When we on the roadway, we like we own way. Tell them freedom in with DNA. When every hand raised, we become one race. It's only one stage. This is the birthplace. Look where we are. Greatest carnival. So magical. It's a blessing sent from above. And we go jump till morning. Look, the moon don't sleep. Tell them we not leaving. Till the last drop of bacchanal is madness in the capital. So I feel like I'm running tongue again. Jump and shake the ground again. We with all my friend and them. No place like home. I feel like I'm running tongue again. Jump and shake the ground again. We with all my friend and them. No place like home. Now is the time for it to jam on somebody. Hand up in the air. Madness everywhere. It's in with DNA. So jump up, play a mass. Wind up in the band. We free up, we live your life. And do whatever you like. Boy, you're mashing up in with DNA. Boy, you're winding up in with DNA. Boy, when we on the roadway, we like we own way. Tell them freedom in with DNA. Don't worry, friend. Don't worry, partner. You go see thing again. Don't worry, lover. Don't worry, lover.
Don't worry, friend. Don't worry, partner. This is not the end.
We time coming back again. It's so much man to take. I feel like I'm born again. Freedom at last, reach the glass. Oh, you can't live in the past. So look for where madness, David Rudder sail. Look for where. Don't worry, lover.
Yo, don't worry, lover. Don't worry, friend. Don't worry, partner. You go see thing again. Don't worry, lover. Don't worry, friend.
Don't worry, partner.
This is not the end. It's time to play mass.
Again. It's so much man to say.
Hey, the time is exactly 9 o'clock, baby.
Feel like I'm born.
We can't stop. We won't stop. We just don't know how. Yo, this is the pastor. Look for me.
Madness.
David Rudder say.
Look for where. Shirt off in the people place. Look for where. Real girl and it's only ways. Look for where. By the end they go put me here in the Hall of Fame. Soca Hall of
tolerate. I don't want no limit. When I come, this is no visit. Every place we look to conquer it. Hey, give me a rhythm. I want to get high like Superman. I don't care about race or religion. One love is the mission. So yeah, me, don't worry, lover. Don't worry, friend. Don't worry, partner. It's me time again. Don't worry, lover. I know you're missing it. It's a whole mood when we start to get lit. We time coming back.
Night.
Watch your step.
Hey girlfriend, go down in the center, go down in the center, go down in the center, go down in the center. Early Tuesday morning, waiting for the sun to rise. Hey, mud down and a oil down, most likely I'm in disguise. Jimmy, 1, now I wanna get on bad. 2, now I wanna jam in the center. 3, girl, away your belt back. 4, I wanna jam on your bumper. When I get this,
Aye, trouble, all the trouble.
Trouble, you know me. I's trouble. It's Friday morning. I's pure trouble.
I's a love man, girl.
I's a love man, girl.
Something.
You know how I say, I don't play.
I don't like fighting. No. Forget wrong and right. Aye. Trouble, all the trouble.
Trouble.
Oh God, girl.
Oh gosh, nah, girl.
I's a love man, girl.
I's a love man, girl.
I'ma tell you something.
Gotta send a pleasant good morning going out to Miss Canagita.
I don't like
The
fighting.
beautiful smile you are. You're like sunshine within all the rain.
We only have one life.
But you see me?
So don't wait.
Don't wait.
On your pride. Wait. This is what we made for. Yeah. Everything we paid for. Wait. This is what we slave for. Yeah. Anytime we name call, we don't beat girl, but we beat from bad. We beat from bad. We don't pick side when we beat from bad. We beat from bad. Liquid. Aye. Trouble.
Yes, I want liquid pride.
What girl?
We don't beat girl.
I's a love man.
We don't beat girl, I's a love man.
I'ma tell you something.
We don't beat girl, but we beat rum bad.
I don't like fighting. No. Forget wrong and right. No. We only have one life.
Listen, don't tell them, don't make me come true for them, and
On your pride.
please. Leave you alone, let you smile all day.
Yeah.
Is your favorite uncle on the radio? You hear me?
This is what
Send a message to them for me, please. Tell them,
time we name call.
I don't beat girl, but we beat rum bad. We beat rum bad. We don't touch girl, but we beat rum bad.
From bad. Liquid pride. When we
It's liquid
the
pride.
trouble. What?
We don't play.
Oh God.
It's pure problems.
You like to quarrel, eh?
You like to quarrel, eh?
Man, girl.
You understand? Leave, man, girl.
Listen to me. I don't like fighting. No. Forget wrong and right. No. We only have one life.
We only have one life to live. Miss Houston, you know how we do. We don't play. Tell them. Wait, this is what we'll pray for. Unchi, tell the whole of station we don't beat y'all, but we beat rum bad.
This is what we say.
Yes, man.
Yeah. Anytime
Dr. Fire.
we beat girl, but we beat from bad. We beat from bad. We don't pick side when we beat from bad. We beat from bad. Liquid pride when we beat from bad. We beat from bad. Don't run, no hide when we beat from bad. Rum love beat we bad. Hey, I'm beating. No time for work or sleeping. I'm beating. Strong rum, no kicking. I'm beating. Make no time for work or sleeping. I'm beating. Strong rum, no kicking. Hey, I don't like stress. Don't like to be vexed. So I call some gal, and you know what's next.
You know my grandmother say, me ain't hold the woman back.
The trouble.
It's Yuchi. Good morning, Yuchi. I thought it was Unchi. You know we say. But Yuchi, good morning. Good morning to the entire staff and crew over there in Station. Are you locked into 105.5? We name what we name and we name can't change at all.
Forget wrong and right.
They hear me? Good. Tell them we don't beat girl and harass girl. We don't beat rum bad. So don't make me come across here and beat them like rum. You hear me? This is what we pray for. It's weekend. This is what we live for. It's weekend. You know why? Check this one. We don't beat girl, but we beat rum bad. We don't hit girl, but we beat rum bad.
Liquid pride.
It's liquid pride. Well, my favorite thing is gin and coconut water. Or maybe a dash, a splash or something in some coffee. That's why on this morning, coffee.